Hi, I'm Bhavana, a Humanitarians AI fellow. This is my Week 1 report on Jobseeker, a job search app where I'm the SEO engineer, making Google find and rank our job listings. The task this week: give every job page structured data Google can read, which ran straight into a naming collision the Spec never warned me about. Here's the rule this whole video is about before any code. When a Spec tells you to name something, and that exact name is already doing a job in your codebase, you have 3 options. Duplicate the existing logic under a new name, silently drop it, or keep your codebase's name and rename around the Spec. Only the last one has no hidden cost, so codebase convention beats Spec literalism. Now watch it play out. Now the collision itself, both sides on screen. On the left, the Spec, import create server client from lib/supabase server. On the right, the real file, that exact name, create server client, is already imported from supabase/ssr, the real client constructor. The codebase's own wrapper is called create supabase server. Same name, 2 different meanings. Taking the Spec's name would force a duplicate or a silent drop. So when would you take the Spec's name instead? When there's no collision. On a fresh file where create server client means nothing yet, follow the Spec exactly, the name is free, and matching the docs helps the next reader. The rule isn't ignore the Spec. It's narrower. The codebase wins only when the name is already load-bearing. No collision, no exception. The recap: when a Spec's recommended name is already doing real work in your codebase, keep the codebase's convention and rename around it. Don't duplicate the logic. Don't silently drop it. And when the name is free, follow the Spec to the letter. One rule, both directions. The name that's already load-bearing wins. Your turn, and here's the exact test. Before you paste a Spec's recommended name into your code, run this prompt on your own repo. A good answer names where the identifier is already defined and picks a side with a reason. A bad one just renames blindly or misses that the name was taken at all. Follow the Spec until you shouldn't.